What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog again. We are back with 18M, myself, and Mir. We're doing a little BTS photo shoot, I guess, here. Not just for her, but we also did we're gonna do a shoot for the Iconic Legends drop that I just put out. So hopefully you guys like the pictures, and yeah. Alrighty guys, so like I said, we got our boy Jesus here. He's actually the one doing the shoot. He too is also a part of the squad. And this is his super sweet Mustang EcoBoost. Hope you guys enjoy the content today. Not really sure exactly what to film here, but just kind of having fun with everybody. So we'll see how this goes. Hope you guys enjoy the cinematics I'm about to throw down for you guys. So here we go.
I'm for real. No, I ain't like them other ones. We could just have fun. Just have fun. Just have fun. No, I ain't like them other ones. We could just have fun. Just have fun. Just have fun.
Yeah, her boyfriend wanna be, but he not like us. That cash money taking over, she gon' back that up. Ain't gotta pay for it. She want a flight, she can't wait for it. She speeding to it like a race for it. I told her, baby, pull up right now. And wherever you want, I'll take you down. Just don't tell your nigga, cause he a clown. Look, I got a spot we could meet downtown. And that's a quick play. Been on vacation for 6 days. 6'4" in a 6 tray. 6 fabs with the lick say. We took chances to get paid. We hit the club in a sing change. I got the call, I was ready to ball like draft day. Met her on the north, hand to hand in the hall.
Later, bro. Bruh.
Look at how far behind I fucking left it.
Welcome to the Gapplebees, brother. Maybe. A little bit more. You're good. So as you can see by the look of my freaking hair, it's been a few weeks. Long story short, let's get into this whole build, I guess, list as to what I have going on for the Skyline. And yeah, let me just walk you through exactly what happened, why it's been sitting, and what the plans are for it.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Nigga like me be smoking while I'm chillin'. Man, my bro just made $1 million. Now we all could take care of our children. Bad senorita, she do what I tell her. Kush, yelling, car, selling. New bitch bad as fuck, she gotta make my old one jealous. Always watch my moves, be careful not to oversell it. You ain't got no hoes like you been rockin' hoe repellent. What's my next move? There ain't no telling. Straight player, roll a big joint to go with breakfast. Eating fruit, drinking water, that's like every day. She with me cause she was trying to find a better way. Might let you get a taste.
Out all night, we ain't covered yet. Way too far, ain't no service here. Too turned up, they don't let us park our cars in here. Started regular, now we stars. Say she wanna be a part of it. Every day I go my hardest. Don't get out of line, I'll play my part. Nigga play it smart.
Look, I was ballin' by myself, so I don't owe you.
Alright, so back to the GT-R build. Hope you guys enjoyed that little clip or whatever, but yeah, time to get down to business. So this thing right here, where do I start? I guess sometime around, I would say early 2019, this thing developed a slight rod knock, believe it or not. And well, yeah, sure enough, at that point I kind of decided to stop driving the car for a bit, which was fine. I was kind of worried about it. And so yeah, I put the car away for a few months. And when that happened, I was actually on the hunt for a R33 GT-R block to see if I could swap this thing out and just get this thing running. But of course, plans never go the way you want them to sometimes. So, I mean, fuck it, whatever. But yeah, I ended up buying the R33 block, which is right here. And this thing has been sitting for, geez, I could say probably already a year. I had it inspected. The bores are fine. There's no scratches. There's no nothing. This thing's actually ready to be built, decked. This baby's ready. I've had a new oil pump right here for several years. Actually, when I first got this thing, that oil pump has been sitting there for 5 years. Brand spanking new, and one from Nissan, still ready to go. So that most likely will be upgraded. Well, the gears inside will be upgraded, obviously, to handle the crazy power, I guess, eventually that this thing will make. And yeah, right here I actually have the extended collar, or extended crank, R33 crank to be specific, and that came with the block. Obviously it all came assembled, but I had it disassembled during the checkup, so I mean, it's fine. I wasn't going to use those stock pieces anyways. I mean, who the hell would? Happened. I decided to actually start driving the Skyline again around early 2020, maybe the end of 2019. I'm sure some of you guys saw me out at Cars and Tacos. It was fun while it lasted, I guess. But yeah, my poor baby. It's been sitting here for a hot minute, several months already. Where the hell's this stupid thing at? Ah, there we go. And there he is in all his glory. RB26, completely fried. The block is done. I guess the story on that one I'll tell you guys right here. The block itself, like I said, it had developed early rod knock around 2019. So yeah, when that happened, like I said, I put it away, decided to buy the block. Long story short, I ended up, after I bought the block, I pulled this thing back out and yeah, just decided to start driving it all over the place again. Wasn't beating on it too hard. The car was doing pretty decent, even though it was rattling and knocking all over the place. It was kind of annoying, but I mean, hey, at least it got me from point A to point B, and it still looked super dope doing it. So I did that, and obviously with this in mind right here. If I didn't have this, I would have never busted this thing out. It probably wouldn't be dead right now, but I mean, hey, things happen, so whatever. But yeah, I guess after, let's see, I'm gonna have to get this thing built first. This is probably gonna be the very first thing that's gonna be thrown into this car. Well, obviously everything's gonna be thrown in at once, but that's probably gonna be the first piece that's gonna be finished first. So I've got about, I don't know, I've got several parts that I need to fucking get for that thing. The single turbo setup, which is something that I've always wanted to do, because believe it or not, this is my third set of turbos. This is my second set. The first set I threw away, just extra dumps that I don't need. I'm fucking sick of the twin turbo life. Fucking garbage. I've already gone through like 3 sets of them. I don't know, I can't stand it. I don't know how anybody can rock a twin setup on these cars, but hey, to each their own, I guess. But yeah, pretty soon this twin turbo setup's gonna go all this side. If anybody wants it, let me know. It will be for sale. Probably super cheap too, because I don't want it. It's a piece of crap. The intake plenum, I still don't know if I might keep that or not. It's on the list to upgrade, but I'm not 100% sure I need to. So we'll wait on that. Like I said, the block, I already have a full built this for that. That's going to be fully built, forged pistons, rods, everything. You need to get that thing going. So that'll be pretty cool. And then I talked to Head Games about the head. And yeah, we ended up working something out pretty cool. So it's going to be a timely process, guys. It's going to take quite some time. But I mean, hopefully you guys just stick around. And even though I don't have the Skyline out and about, at least we have the other cars from the Iconic Legends. So yeah, at least I got to thank a lot of my icons for still being out and about. And even though Rona is out there, I know a lot of us are still like, hey, we gotta still have fun. So trying to bump out content for you guys. I know it's been a little sketch for the past couple months because of the coronavirus, but I mean, it is what it is, man. We try and get through this shit. So yeah, I guess we'll see where this build takes us. Fuck, man, to be honest, I really miss my car. It's pretty boring. Not having my stress reliever, which is this thing right here. I don't know. It's kind of a shitty situation to be in, but hey, like I said, at least I've got everybody else to mess with. So it's pretty cool, I guess, in a way. This thing sits. It's gonna get built reliably. It's gonna be pretty fucking cool. Time-wise, I can't give you guys a time frame because honestly, I have no fucking clue when this thing will be ready. Could be a year, could be 5 years. Shit, I don't know. But hey, if you guys keep watching, who knows? Maybe this YouTube channel will blow up and we'll be able to build this thing and maybe other cars just like it a lot quicker. So if you guys like it, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to know anything else, I guess DM me on Instagram. My handle is at the very beginning of the video, so just hit me up. If you guys are actually interested in the twins, let me know also. I want to get rid of those, plus the manifolds, the dump pipes, the downpipe, the lines, all that shit. I don't want it no more. Get it out of my sight. Yeah, we'll see what's up, but hopefully you guys like the video. Rocking my Legends merch, because hey, we're all legends out here. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, y'all.
You, and you. I promise you could